Hello, my name is Hope Malone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm the Big Cheese at Ham and Cheese Events, and today we're going to blanch zucchini. You'll need a bowl of ice water and a colander to stop the blanching process, salt for your salt water, a colander to rinse the zucchini, and the zucchini. We're going to rinse the zucchini under cool water and rub the zucchini lightly to remove any dirt or any blemishes that may be on your zucchini. Let it drain just a little bit and remove it. At this point, we want to make sure that our water behind us is boiling and you've added a pinch of salt. We're going to cut these today in what we call coins. We cut them straight down and typically about 1/8 of an inch thick. We would blanch zucchini if we were making a zucchini salad, if we wanted to place the zucchini in a nice lasagna for a vegetable lasagna, or if we were even going to fry the zucchini, you're going to give it just a light blanch so that it's tender when you cook it. Make sure you curl your fingers. So once we've got them sliced, we're going to place them gently into the boiling water. I'm going to use the colander so that I don't splash or burn myself with the water. The process for blanching is very simple. We simply want to make it an al dente. When you look into your pot, you're going to notice that the zucchini will turn a brighter green on the outside. That's when you know that you've got it all together. So I'm going to give it just a couple of rotations around. The entire process will take about 5 minutes. And once your zucchinis are blanched, gently remove them from the boiling water using your colander. Let them drain and transfer them to an ice bath. The ice bath will stop the cooking process and you'll have perfectly blanched zucchini. So I've taught you how to make blanched zucchini. I'm Hope Malone of Ham and Cheese Events, and I'm the Big Cheese.